guys, we will now do the left leg of the robot, and we will follow the same kind of let's shout out some bingo numbers procedure that we did before. We'll start with number 8, and number 8 goes down here. So number 8 goes down here, and it is a P8 where it says 18. Then we will go and do P9, and P9 is right on top of that. So let's make sure we get the right one. It is this one, and it goes right on top. And it goes into 17. Then we will go to P10. This is P10 right here, and P10 goes on top of that. Yes, you've guessed it. It is in 16. Then we will get P11. P11 will go on top where it says 15. And the last one will just go into 14. And there you are done with the right leg. I'll see you in the next video.